You want to know how you can get automated outcomes for anything you would like in AI? Trust me, stay with me. Okay, so before we start this video, I want to say thank you. Thank you for always coming by to watch my videos. Thank you for giving me likes and for being an awesome community. And finally, thank you for 3,000 subscribers! Honestly, I wouldn't have thought this was even possible when this channel first began, but you guys made it happen. Okay, yes, time for the truth. It is obvious I am a faceless YouTuber, and yes, there is an entire team behind syncing AI, but Sky, me, myself, is from the mind and creativity of one person. My personality, dialogue, everything I do is all from one person. And honestly, from that person to all of you, thank you. Thank you for making syncing AI what it is, continuing to grow to. Anyways, so who's ready for another exciting tutorial? Well, have I got some new updates for you? OpenArt have just launched their all-new Director Mode, where you can literally talk to the director and it will generate anything you ask it to do. The link is in the description below. You can sign up to OpenArt account and use my discount code for a percentage of one of their plans. Plans are not expensive, and they are very generous with their credits. So you ready? That's right. I said, are you ready? God, I sound stupid. Anyways, enough of me being an idiot. Let's do this. First, we are going to create two images. The first image, we are going to create our character. And then the second image, we are going to create an artifact, as these will be used in our tutorial. So, going to click on Image, and then we are going to select our model as Nano Banana Pro. Select the output to 16 by 9, and then select the resolution to 1K. You can select your quantity, but we are only going to choose 1. Okay, now we need to head over to ChatGPT. Here we are going to have ChatGPT help us generate a prompt. So, we are going to type, could you create me a prompt for Nano Banana Pro for an ancient magical crystal which is being used as a reference image? It has etchings and omits different color lights and patterns and has the features of a magical artifact. Now we are going to let that generate, and then we are going to copy and paste this into our prompt box in OpenArt. Then we are going to click Generate. Okay, awesome. This looks magical. Now it's time to generate our character. So once again, we will use ChatGPT, and this time we will ask it to generate us a detailed prompt for a female explorer. So type into the prompt, could you generate me a prompt for a female explorer in her 20s with long red hair and pigtails, beautiful makeup mixed with a bit of dirt and grunge? She has the same aura as Lara Croft, and I need a detailed character sheet style prompt, as this will be used for reference. Now, ChatGPT will create this prompt for us. So all we have to do is copy and paste this over to OpenArt in our prompt box, and I'm going to select Nano Banana 2 as the model. Then, paste our prompt into the box, output to 16 by 9 and 1K, and then I'm going to click Generate. Okay, perfect. We now have our two reference images that is going to make this work. But now we need a theme for the scenery. So for this, let's head back over to ChatGPT, and we're going to type into the prompt. Could you generate me a prompt where I can generate a scenery reference image? I want it to be ancient Egyptian temple interior, vibes of Tomb Raider and National Treasure, mixed with ancient artifacts and scrolls and etchings. Now, we are going to copy and paste this into OpenArt into our prompt and set the model to Nano Banana Pro. Set our output to 16 by 9 and resolution to 1K, and click Generate. Perfect. We now have all three and we are ready to enter the director. So now below the prompt, we have two options. You can go ahead if you're confident and have dealt with similar generators before, or if you are new and not confident, then we can select to be guided, and it will assist you all the way in achieving your final result. So for tutorial purposes, we are going to use the guided option. So first, we are going to click on the plus, and we are going to add our 3 reference images we created earlier in the tutorial. Now in the prompt, I'm going to type, "Could you create me a magical movie scene with multiple camera angles that is 6 seconds long? She enters the magical cave and the crystal is there floating. She smirks as the camera zooms in close to her and says the words, 'Found you.' Then she walks over and reaches out to grab the crystal as energy begins to form and the scene fades to black." Okay, perfect. Now we are going to confirm this, and the director will ask you if you wish to continue. The director may have to regenerate images and will ask for resolutions and any other questions. You literally have to just talk to them like you're having a conversation. Once all the magic is complete and the director has finished creating your project, you should have a final result that looks a little something like this.
Found you.
It is that simple. And honestly, director just takes everything you need and puts it all together. And it is so user-friendly, and even beginners will be easily guided to create the final project that you want. But hey, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you made it to the end, then thank you. And if you are new here, then welcome. I'm Sky. I create everything and anything AI. Once again, all the links are in the description, and check out some of my other videos on my channel. Anyways, guys, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe. Thank you for everything. You guys are awesome. Honestly, at this stage, I plan to bring you a lot more tutorials, and from the bottom of my heart, you guys are the life and soul of my channel and the reason why I want to keep going. Sincerely, I love you all. I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day.